We'll try to restart Office. If you have problem with error code 142, this one, 142, then what you can do is first you can try to restart your computer and try the application again. If not working, you can find the program. For example, if your Outlook has problem, you search Outlook here and click the arrow here, run as administrator. If after you run as administrator, you still have the error message, you need to repair your Office. To repair, just click the Start button and go to the Settings. Then find the Apps. Click that. Find the Office you installed. Click Modify. It will give you an option to online repair or quick repair. You can try both of the methods. If those methods after repair is still not working, what you can do is uninstall the Office and reinstall it. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.